Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add 3 columns in Excel. Let's get straight into it. I'll be doing this on Windows. Look at the column headers at the top of your spreadsheet. Those are the letters A, B, C, and so on. The new columns will be inserted to the left of whichever columns you select, and everything that's already there will shift to the right to make room. Now select 3 adjacent column headers. Click on the first column header where you want the new columns to go, then drag across to select 3 columns. For example, if you want new columns before column D, click on D and drag across to F. You'll see all 3 columns get highlighted with a colored background. Excel inserts the same number of columns as you have selected, so selecting 3 column headers means you'll get 3 new blank columns. Right-click anywhere on one of those selected column headers. A context menu will pop up at your cursor with several options. Click Insert from the context menu. 3 new blank columns appear immediately to the left of your original selection, and the existing columns shift to the right to make space. A small Insert Options button may appear next to your new columns, offering formatting choices like Format Same as Left, Format Same as Right, or Clear Formatting. You can click it if you want to adjust the formatting, or leave it alone. If you accidentally insert columns in the wrong place, just hit Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. Keep in mind that if you have formulas or references elsewhere in your workbook that point to specific columns, you'll want to check those after inserting, since everything to the right has now shifted over. The new columns are completely blank and ready for whatever data you need to add.